Hey, check it out. This is a shot from Paradise near Tropicana, and you can see the stadium smack dab between the Delano and the Mandalay Bay. All right, very nice. And coming up is the field tray, and behind those, I hope you can see it, there are, whoa, this road sucks. There are, man, I never ride on here, you know, on this part of the road, but it's crappy. All right, since that last little ride down the street, they have started to repave, or I guess put the blacktop onto Polaris. It's not quite done yet. Should be done pretty soon. Let's hope so. But it will make a big difference because that last ride on the bicycle was bumpy as a son of a gun. All right, let's go. Hey, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is Thursday, April 30th, about 1:35 in the afternoon. The Weather Channel says 97 degrees outside and a southwest wind with 20 miles per hour, which made it a pain in the backside to get down here. All right, let's see what's going on. As you can see, the sidewalk on Russell Road is still closed off. They're putting down the little forms to make the sidewalk look nice, and it'll be good when that is completed. All right, let's move down northward on Polaris and burn up in the sun. Okay, let's go. This little road right here we're taking a look at, and the guy's opening the gate. I'll kick the tripod, dang it. Just to the left of that is the field tray. And so above the field tray, they're putting up this fence. Let's just zoom in. So around the perimeter of the field tray, they are putting up this black fence. You can see it, right? I think it's like 10 feet, 8 foot, 10 foot fence. Can't really tell from here. But it was all the way around because, you know, you have to have some sort of fencing because things do happen where people fall in and fall over. And plus, this is a road going in there, but with the big games, I can imagine a lot of guests just roaming around on that road, so a fence is necessary. And then to the right of the fence, we have some landscaping going in. Little trees and so on, and bushes, and maybe a little cacti be placed on here. We'll find out later for that. All right. And then we have a safety sign right here. You know, stay safe and healthy, everyone please. But I think they had 7 folks over time, you know, test positive. So there you go. This is one good looking stadium. I like how it reflects. I think someone mentioned before, but or questioned, how do they clean these mirrors, these windows? Because Vegas can get dusty sometimes, which is, you know, anywhere. But over time, these windows are going to get pretty dirty. So I wonder how they're going to clean them. Allegiant Stadium. I'm not exactly sure what this gentleman is doing over here, but his truck says, is that like gravel and cement or something? Right? We got a tube going down. Maybe it's cleaning up. More of a vacuum type thing. I am not sure. there's various fencing going up and protection. First, next to the curb, we have this thin pole going up. Maybe that's got to be, what, less than 5 feet high. Okay. Behind that, there are bollards to protect in case anybody tries to get funky with a car and try to drive through. All right. And then the final one will be the 10 or 12 foot fence. This part's not completed, to protect the rest of the property. Huh. And of course, something for our four-footed friends. You know, and this fence was having an optical illusion going on with my head. The fence goes all the way to what I thought would be the end, but then it's hard to see, but it picks up again. You can see it. See, it picks up again, picks up again. See, there's more down there by the orange backhoe, more by that other backhoe moving, or a tractor. And then some more of it over here. So I wonder how much would be off limits of this field area, will be actually off limits to the fans as they roam, as they go to their seats. That's a very interesting question. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Well, eventually, the way things are going. Huh. Okay, so going a little bit more north to get a better shot of this Allegiant Stadium sign. And also, I want to get a close-up of the reflections in the glass. Let's see how we do this. Here we go. You can see some things moving in the glass. The car driving by. Here's a good shot of the strip skyline. You can see some of the buildings way out there. I see Caesar's Palace, Vidra, the Cosmopolitan, Aria, Park MGM, and who's that in between there? That's a condo place, I think. All right. There's somebody way up there. Look at this guy in this shot. Here we go. I wonder how the wind is way up there. You know, I wonder if it's really, really bad like it is down here. If it's worse or the same. One day we'll find out. Okay, so the wind is really kicking up right now. I hope the audio comes out okay. All right. Okay. This little guy right here is just beavering away, just moving dirt around, and then his friend to the left. He's been filled up, and now time to go dump it somewhere. Got a guy on the outside of the perimeter doing some sort of cleanup, well he was a minute ago with his shovel. Let's see, the cherry pickers are not being used right now. What's behind there? There we go. Another piece of machinery working away. It's a busy day out here. You know, it is warm for the guys, but it is busy also. All right, let's keep on going down Polaris. All right, and it looks like the moon is paying us a visit. If you look straight up from the M and a wee bit to the right, just above the edge of the stadium, you get a glimpse of the moon. All right. Good old Luna. And it is not made of cheese, in case you're wondering. All right, here's a shot from the northwestern corner of the stadium. And down below, we have this road, which goes from Polaris onto Alderon, whatever it's called, soon to be Al Davis Way. That road goes straight through. Here's Polaris, and it goes straight through across, all the way to Al Davis Way. I guess it'll be some sort of shortcut or something, or maybe for VIPs to go through for some reason. Not really sure, but I'm sure we'll find out eventually. Just a nice easy shot. Here's the stadium, and going down, down, down Polaris, and zoom in a little bit. Just a nice easy shot. That's all. A big old mound of dirt, and another mound of dirt, and yet another mound of dirt. Here we are at the corner of Polaris and Hacienda. And something new has been added, or is being added. We have stoplights. They're not turned on yet, but they're adding in some stoplights for the traffic here on Hacienda and Polaris. Makes sense, right? Install the stadium, traffic goes up, you gotta protect people, so stoplights. All right, well done, city planners. Okay, so here is a shot of the VIP parking lot, which is at the corner of Polaris and Hacienda, north of the stadium. Let me see, I'm holding the tripod up in the air. I wonder if I can hold it properly. See? There we go. And there are outhouses for the staff. All right. And as you can see, there'll be some landscape. And as you can see, there will be some landscaping done over here also to make it look nice and presentable. Here's a sidewalk north of the stadium, and I guess it's completed now, but they're going to put in, see these railings right here. And these rails look about 5 foot high, okay? About 5 foot high, because I'm only 5'7", and I'm a shrimp, 5'7.5", and it comes, you know, a tad bit below my shoulder. So maybe 5 feet these things are, perhaps. Oh well, in case you're wondering. Okay, so I'll move over the thing. And there they are. Some Hacienda. Okay, we're north of the stadium. We're standing on the future Al Davis Way. Just want to get a shot of the scaffolding, which should be coming down. Zoom in. Now there's there's no one working on it right now. Maybe because it's too windy? Nah, that couldn't be it, could it? Perhaps. And also that there was an outhouse up there. That's gone. So hey, tear it down, right? Okay. So we got our cool white stripes. It's about 2:30 right now. I guess these guys are going home. Start in the morning at 6. I presume 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Half-hour break, 8-hour day. Sounds legit. All right, let's keep moving a little bit closer. See what we can see. Here we are directly from the scaffolding, and I was wondering if I can get a glimpse of the lanai doors, or the lanai glass. Maybe when I edit, I can see it better. But I haven't zoomed in. Oh no, I don't. Okay. Now I got zoomed in best. Okay, there it is. Okay, all right. I see a reflection of part of the scaffolding smack dab in the middle of this thing. All right. Hey, it's going to be a sight to behold once the scaffolding comes down, and then the days when the windows are open or those doors are open. It's going to be pretty sweet also. And for the fans, when the games start, and for the night games, when it opens up, They'll get a nice shot of this fence. Haha, just kidding. Get a nice shot of the strip, or part of the strip. Okay, I moved over Dean Martin and we are southeast of the stadium slightly. The wind is kicking up again. It's a lot windier than it was earlier, and dust is everywhere. So, let's have some fun. Okay, here we are near the main sign, which faces the 15, and just below that sign is the future home of the giant video screen. And that thing will be a sight to behold when it's installed and up and running. And then below the sign, as we can see, this area still hasn't been paved over. There's dirt and debris and some equipment, some just junk, which will be cleaned up in the future. This may be the last area to be paved over, because the northern portion is done. No, not really. The eastern portion is done. I'm sorry, the west side's not done either. Okay, I'm dreaming. All right, let's go. Here is a side view of the scaffolding. I just wanted to get a quick view of that, just so you can see. All right, what else you got? The wind, man. 20-mile-an-hour wind, hot as hell. Okay, now here's a shot of the glass behind the scaffolding. And once the scaffolding comes down, like I said, it's gonna be really, really nice to look at. Okay, all right. Let's go over to the bridge, the Hacienda Bridge. Let's go. Damn. All right, you guys, so we're on Hacienda Bridge right now, and get a bit of a final shot. The place is looking pretty good. Now, just in front of this stadium, here is this parking lot, or will be the ride share area. Currently, you have staff parking here, and there was a tent. There's some tents over here. Now, this sign over here, which you can't see, I should have got a picture of it. That sign right there says orientation. I wonder, hang on. Okay, let's pull up some of our bullshot crummin. Let's see, Allegiant Stadium orientation, and they have various companies below. All right, that's easy, right? Allegiant Stadium, Allegiant Stadium orientation. All right, like I said, thank you, bullshot crummin. All right, so there we are, or and here we are. Got a palm trees, some equipment, some more dirt. A lot of dirt today. Our scaffolding, the cool white stripes, and the sign over there on the northwestern side of this stadium. All right, everybody, that's about it for today. As always, I thank you for watching. Please, if you want more information about Allegiant Stadium, other construction projects in Vegas, please subscribe, thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys real soon. All right, thank you.